Okay, hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 523, that is continuous subarray sum, and in this we'll be given an integer array nums and an integer k, and we have to return true if nums is a good subarray or false otherwise. And a good subarray is a subarray where its length is at least 2 and the sum of the elements of the subarray is a multiple of k. Okay, and we have to know that a subarray is a yeah, we know that. For example, in this we are having nums equal to 23, 2, 4, 6, 7. So we have to return true because 2 is a continuous subarray whose elements sum up to 6, and 6 is a multiple of 6 obviously, which is our k. Okay, but in the next case also, okay, we are having 23, 2, 6, 4, 7, and my k is equal to 6. So the s sum comes out to 23 and 2 25 and 6 31, 31 and 11, that sums up to 42, and 42 is also a multiple of 6. So we are having true our as our answer. Okay, so for this we'll be using a hash of the modified prefix sum approach. So let's just quickly code into that, and let's have firstly prefix, let's call it a variable prefix sum, which is initially 0. Okay, but then what we'll be having is we'll be having a hash map of let's call a map of integer comma integer. That will be a map of new hash map, that will be the new hash map, sorry. Yeah, and in this firstly we'll be putting that map dot put, we'll be for the corresponding index we are having nothing as sum, so we'll be putting as -1 for the zeroth index basically. Okay, now we'll be starting to iterate over the nums that for and I equal to 0, while is the nums dot length I plus this, and then we'll be having the prefix sum will be equal to uh, prefix sum plus my nums I, and we'll be doing a modulus of it with k. Okay, so at least we'll be having our answer mod k. And then what we'll be checking is that if my current prefix sum is present already in the uh, if my prefix sum is already present in the my nums array, that means we have already encountered a variable that will, if we sum up to it, we'll be getting like we'll be having the subarray whose modulus will be equal, whose modulus will, when done with k, will be equal to 0. Sorry for a little bit fumble. Yeah, I just was messed up with the concepts. Okay, so for example, we'll be having the current prefix sum. We'll be finding the current prefix sum, and we'll be checking that if that is already present in my hash map, that means we have already encountered it, and that means we can all find a subarray that will form a sum of that we find a form of positive sum whose sum will be whose sum mod k will be equal to 0. Okay, I messed up so many things. Apologies for that. I hope, but I hope you understand. We'll be checking a prefix sum, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be checking that if it is having the a size of at least 2 or not. Okay, so then if I minus map dot get prefix sum is greater than 1, okay, that means the size is at least 2. In that case, we have to return true. Okay, else what we have to do is we'll be updating our map with map dot put a prefix sum comma I, my current index, and if we don't find answer in there, we'll be just returning false. Okay, yeah, now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works totally fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.